7. content.
Mindless.
సార్ మీరు వెనక్కి వెళ్ళగలరు.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Good morning, gentlemen. This is the 18th G20 summit held in India at Bharat Mandapam, Pragati Maidan, New Delhi on 9 to 10 September 2023. This summit motto is One Earth, One Family, One Future, First of All. Today we are going to discuss about peace building. What is peace building? Peace building is a term describing outside interventions that are designated to prevent the start or resumption of violent conflicts within a nation or community by creating a sustainable peace. Peace building activities address the root causes or potential causes of violence, create a societal expectation for peaceful conflict resolution and stabilize society politically and socio-economically. 3 approaches to peace: peacekeeping, peacemaking, peace building. United States of America to start meeting in this section.
Thank you, India. International organization. The United Nations participates in many aspects of peace building, both through the peace building architecture established in 2005 to 2006 and through United Nations Peace Building Commission, international government advisory body that brings together key actors, gathers resources, advises on state guides for peace building. United Nations Peace Building Support Office support the Peace Building Commission with strategical advice and policy guidance. Administrates the peace building, form the help science Secretary General.
Thanks for India. Peace building, peacemaking and peacekeeping. Peacemaking involves stopping an ongoing conflict. Peace building happens before a conflict starts or once it ends. Peacekeeping prevents the resumption of conflict. It does not address the underlying causes of violence or work to create social change. As peace building does, it also differs from peace building in that it only occurs after conflict ends, not before it begins.
Thanks for India. UNESCO Constitution. Since wars begin in the minds of men, it is in the minds of men that the defenses of peace must be constructed. Does fighting resolve conflict? Fighting can be necessary for self-defense to defend the weak. Fighting does not resolve conflict. Defeating an enemy does not answer his grievance or end his hatred. The defeated are tempted to seek revenge.
Thanks for India. What is peace building and reconciliation? It aims to resolve injustice in non-violent ways and to transform the structural conditions that generate deadly conflict. Peace building can include conflict prevention, conflict management, conflict resolution and transformation, and post-conflict reconciliation. What is the main idea of reconciliation? The reconciliation journey, building a renewed relationship with indigenous people based on the recognition of rights, respect and partnership.
Thanks for India. Why is reconciliation important for peacemaking? Reconciliation must be precise in seeking to create an encounter where people can focus on their relationship and share their precautions, feelings and experience with them another, with the goal of creating new precautions and a new shared experience. What are the 3 stages of reconciliation are? Replacing fear by non-violent strengths, building confidence and trust, and developing empathy. Strengths, trust and empathy develop between individuals who are connected as victims, beneficiaries and reporters. Thanks for India. Guiding steps for peace building and reconciliation, design, monitoring and evaluation. Conduct a conflict assessment. Peace building program design. Develop a monitoring and evaluation plan. Conduct baseline study. Monitoring and adaptive management. Conduct a online study and final evaluation. Disseminate and share result and key learnings. Thanks for India. What are the 3 stages of recognition are? Replacing fear by the non-violent, coexistence, building confidence and trust and developing empathy. Coexistence, trust and empathy develop between individuals who are connected as victims. Benefit.
Start.
Thanks for India. The 3 stages of recognition are replacing fear by non-violent, co-extension, building confidence and trust, and developing empathy. Co-extends trust and empathy develop between individuals who are connected as victims, benefactors and protectors. Thanks for India. How can reconciliation promote peace? When we bring people together to discuss their issues, when we find ways to build confidence between different sides of a conflict, and when we involve everyone touched by a conflict in the process to resolve it, peace is possible.
India, peace building is an activity that aims to resolve injustice in non-violent ways and to transform the cultural and structural conditions that generate deadly or destructive conflict. It revolves around developing constructive personal, group and political relationships across ethnic, religious, cross-national and racial boundaries. Thanks for India. The main characteristics of peace building include encouraging people to talk, repairing relationships, strengthening democracy and inclusive politics, being driven by compassion for all humanity, understanding how peace and justice
B. Unconventional and imaginative, reforming institutions. Thanks for India. For India, the term today, India is not offered was first used Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his meeting with Russia President Vladimir Putin on the margins of the Shanghai Cooperation SCO summit in Uzbekistan in September. Thanks for India G20 Summit meet. It was established in 1999. It has 20 industries country as member. India is also a member of this group. The first meeting of this alliance was held in 1999, Berlin, Germany. The and the World Bank will participate in the talks of the alliance. The 18th conversation in New Delhi, India 2023. The 19th will be held in Brazil in 2024. Thank you, India. 5 principles of reconciliation. Reconciliation, Australia defines reconciliation through 5 critical dimensions that together represent a holistic and comprehensive picture of reconciliation. The 5 dimensions are race relations, equality and equity, institutional integrity, unity, and historical acceptance. Thanks for India. It aims to resolve injustice in non-violent ways and transform the structural conditions that generate deadly conflict. Peace building can include conflict prevention, conflict management, conflict resolution, and transformation and post-conflict reconciliation. Thanks for India. Peace building manual key principles for building peace. Comprehensive vision. Interdependent peace building. Thanks for India. Peace building manual key principles for building peace. Comprehensive vision, interdependent peace building, sustainable peace building, strategic dialogue, cooperation, social infrastructure, definitions of power. Thanks for India. Reconciliation as an element of truth, justice, given fairness, health healing, reporting, and love supporting. Reconciliation means working to overcome the division after called the gap. Thanks for India. Role of women. Women have traditionally played a limited role in peace building process, even thought they often bear the responsibility for providing for their families basic needs in the aftermath of violent conflict and the unique impact of armed conflict on women and girls. It calls for the adoption of the gender perspective to consider the special needs of women and girls during conflict. Thanks for India. Other agencies. UN Department of Political Affairs, UN Development Programs, Conflict Provisions, Peace Building, Post Conflict Recovery. Through democracy, the promotion of rights and global citizenship. Describes the peace building activities as conflict prevention and management and conflict prevention and reconstruction. And reconstruction deals with rebuilding the local economic and capacity. Thanks for India. Peace building. Negative peace. Thanks for India. Negative peace. Direct violence. Negative peace refers to the absence of direct and ghost violence, which refers to act the woman's immediately hence. Positive peace structures violence. Positive peace refers to the absence of both, refers to violence as well as strength. Violence structures violence refers to the ways that systems and the society case. Just peace cultural violence. Just peace refers to the absence of all their types of violence, abuse, direct structures and cultural violence. Thank you.